Hey, thanks for joining Max Muscle Davis County. My name is James, and today we're going to start covering over the next several days how to create a meal plan or a calorie plan to help you lose weight. So the first thing that we need to understand is what is a calorie, and a calorie is a measure of heat or potential energy or energy being expended. So the idea is how can we create more and more of those calories to be expended, and where do we need to get those calories from in order to lose a pound of fat? So let's address really quickly what a pound of fat is. So a pound of fat is actually 3,500 calories of potential energy. So what we want to do is burn 3,500 calories over a week in excess of what we actually put in our mouths through nutrition. That would lead to a pound of fat loss a week. We often are asked, well, can I lose 3, 4, 5 pounds of fat a week if I just eat, less than less? That's true, but over a certain amount of time, our body's going to release other hormones and chemicals that kind of counteract that because it doesn't want to starve to death, and it's not going to allow you to do it. The body's very adaptive to its environment, and over time, you're going to find that you actually would end up having poor health because of your under-eating. So we recommend losing a pound of fat to 2 pounds of fat a week, and the way to get from 1 pound of fat a week to 2 pounds is through exercise and activity. So I won't go into how to come up with the calories on this video, but let me just give an example. If I, through exercise and through my BMR, which we'll go over next time, and through activity and exercise and all those things, if I burn 2,500 calories a day, then by eating 2,000 calories a day in the right amount of protein, carbs, and fats, I can anticipate when I get on the scale in a week, I will have lost a pound, and it should be a pound of fat because I did it in a healthy way. If I lose 3, 4, 5 pounds in a week, typically it's mostly going to be water, a little bit of muscle or lean tissue, and it's going to be a little bit of fat. And that's really not our goal. Our goal is to lose fat, not weight. So what we want to do is understand that in order to lose a pound of fat a week, you need to have 500 calories less going in your mouth than is being burned through your activity. 750 calories a day deficit will create a pound and a half, and 1,000 calories a day will create a pound. Now, we don't recommend trying to go too fast, too quickly, because again, like I said, the body will create a process of changing some of the chemical balances in your body to allow you to not kind of burn out. So next time we're going to talk about BMR and a few other things so that you can start looking at how can I put a meal plan together or a calorie plan together to help me get the best result. But just keep in mind, 3,500 calories is a pound of fat, and as long as all those calories come from fat, you will lose a pound of fat a week. So until next time, this is James with Max Muscle Davis County, and have a great weekend.